school administrators, beloved teachers, proud parents, honored guests, and my fellow graduates. A pleasant afternoon to all of you. Standing here today in front of you all is both an honor and a humbling experience. As we look back at the journey that brought us to this moment, we realize that this achievement is not ours alone. It is a success shared with the many people who supported, guided, and believed in us throughout the years. First and above all, I would like to thank God for His endless blessings. There were times that the journey felt heavy. Kung asa, grabe na ang pressure niya na feel. And will doubt started to appear. But through these moments, His guidance gave us strength to continue and the courage to keep believing. To our dear teachers, maraming salamat po. Thank you for your patience, dedication, and love for teaching. You did not only give us knowledge from textbook, but also taught us lessons about life, discipline, and believing in ourselves. Sa totoo lang po, hindi kami naging madaling estudyante. May mga times nga langasan, pasaway, o gusahay dili jud maminaw. But despite that, you never gave up on us. You continued to show, to guide, and made us believe that we are capable. Thank you also for understanding us, for accepting our late submissions, for listening our lessons, and for giving us second chances. Because of you, we learned not only academically, but also how to become better individuals. We will never forget your reminders that came with care, your jokes that made the class lighter, and your daily effort to make sure we learned something. Because of you, we are more prepared to face the next chapter of our lives. We will carry your lessons with us wherever we go. To our school administrators and staff, thank you for your commitment to providing us with a safe and supportive environment where we could learn, grow, and discover our abilities. Your hard work behind the scenes made a big difference in our journey as students. To our beloved parents, maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagmamahal at sakripisyo ninyo po para sa amin. Kayo ang unang naniwala sa amin nung kami mismo ay nagduda sa aming kakayahan. Hindi man po namin laging nasasabi, pero ramdam na ramdam namin ang lahat ng pagod ninyo, ang maagang pagising at pagtrabaho ng walang reklamo. At ang pagtitiis para lang maibigay ang pangangailangan namin. Lahat po ng ito ay hindi namin makakalimutan. Ngayong araw po na ito ay hindi lang po ito tagumpay namin. Tagumpay din po ninyo ito. Lahat ng narating namin ay dahil sa inyo. We may not say it all the time, but we love you more than words can express. At saan man kami dalhin ng buhay, dadalhin namin ang lahat ng itunuro ninyo sa amin. To my fellow graduates, now, we finally reached the end of the journey na abi natuglayo pa. There were moments na ipakaboy na ta, stress, and ready to give up. But, niyata karon, we made it, and we made it together. Thank you so much. Thank you for being part of my story, for the laughter, the shared struggles, o sa mga simpleng moments na nahimong unforgettable tungod kay kauban mo. You were not just my classmates. You became my family. Na-survive na nato tanan. Puyatan, cramming, at mga deadlines na parang biglaan. Salamat sa mga tagaigang survey, sa mga tawanan, bisag seryoso na ang lesson, o sa mga times na magtinatukaw na lang tanan niyo, gapitad na nakasabot pero wala di ay. Somehow, we help each other get through. As we go our separate ways chasing our dreams, I will always carry the memories we created, the laughter, the challenges, and the bond that made this journey meaningful. This may be the end of one chapter, but it's also the beginning of something new. And wherever life takes us, I hope we never forget where we started. Congratulations to all of us. We didn't just graduate, we survived. Today is not only a celebration of medals, awards, or titles. It is a celebration of hard work, resilience, and the lessons we learned along the way. Each one of us has faced different challenges, yet we all reach this milestone together. As we move forward to our next chapter of our lives, may we carry with us the lessons our school has given us, the values our teachers taught us, and the love and support of our families. The road may not always be easy, but the experience we gained here is giandang to face whatever challenges ang mabot sa tuwa. Let this day remind us that success is never achieved alone. It is built through the help, guidance, and support of many people who believed in us. Once again, thank you to everyone who walked with us on this journey. Your support made this moment possible. To my fellow graduates, congratulations! May we continue to dream big, work hard, and always remember kung asa tanagikan. Thank you very much and may God bless us all.